in this episode of Cooking with That Guy. I'm that guy, Mark. Anyway, we're going to make some chicken corn soup. So I'm going to try to speed up this process a little bit and not have to walk you through everything. Saute, normal, half stick of butter. This is 4 chicken breasts. You can use white or dark meat. Use the amount of meat you like. So you got a half stick of butter, 4 chicken breasts. Okay, we got some black pepper. Of course, it's not open. Some black pepper. Not going to measure, just throw some in there. And a medium-sized onion, or as much onion you like, or if you don't like onion, don't use onion. So we got half stick of butter, chicken, onion, pepper. We're going to saute. There's that word again, saute. We're going to saute this till the chicken's brown on the outside. It doesn't have to be fully cooked. But we're going to saute this till the chicken is brown. Then we'll get back to you. I'm back cooking with that guy. Cooking with Mark, me, the fat guy. Anyway, come here, check this out. We sauteed, I don't know if you see that, but we sauteed the chicken. Probably had to do it 10 minutes, I don't know. As you can see, the chicken's not fully cooked. Check it out. It's not fully cooked, and that's okay. Now next, what we're going to do, we're just going to again turn this off. Okay, but we got the onion and the chicken in there, and you can use whatever amount of chicken if you don't like onion. We got 2 chicken broths. Okay, you can use this less sodium or the more sodium. So we're going to pour 2 of these in there for starters. Hello. Anyway, okay, 2 things of chicken broth. Okay, we're going to put the lid on. It's going to make a beeping noise when you put the lid on correctly. Okay, did you hear that beeping noise? So what we're going to do is we're going to set this on pressure cook. As soon as I can find it here, I can't see very good. Pressure cook right here. We're going to set it on 10 minutes. Okay. And we're going to let it go. In 10 minutes, we'll be back. I'm back. It's that guy. It's cooked for 10 minutes. What we're going to do now is we're going to manually release the steam. What I do is I take a dish rag and I wet it and I'll put it over the steam vent and I'll go ahead and start releasing steam. And the reason why I do that is so the steam don't get over the ceiling or get anywhere else. So once that steam's all released, then we'll come back and I'll show you what to do next. Alright, I'm back cooking with this guy, Mark. We're going to take the lid off and look at our creation here. See, the chicken is all cooked up. It's tender. Tender is, you know what, tender. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some potatoes. Okay, I don't know how many potatoes this is, but we're going to add some of these. Careful not to burn yourself. We're going to fill them up until all the liquid's gone. Stir them around. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some corn. I'll be back after I get this all mixed up. Hi. Hello. Hi. We put 4 cans of corn in here. I used 2 white and 2 yellow corn. I got some parsley flakes here. We're going to add some of them. Don't need to measure them. Just add some in. Not too many. If you want to put carrots in here, you can put carrots in here right now. Now would be the time to do it. If you want to put noodles in here, you can put noodles in here. I actually put dry noodles in here. Light and fluffy egg noodles. Now's the time to do it. It's a little full. I believe there's a minimum fill line in there. I think it's over that line. We're going to put the lid on. This goes towards the back. Okay, we're going to put this in the middle. Got to be in the middle. That'll drop down. We're going to hit cancel. We're going to go to pressure cook. We're going to take her down to 5 minutes. And in 5 minutes, after it cooks for 5 minutes, it'll be done. Just understand that between each cooking thing we're doing here, we take the lid off, add stuff. It takes about 10 minutes for this thing to get up to steam. So though you might only cook for 15 minutes, you might as well add another possibly 20 minutes, 15 minutes, however long it takes for this to start steaming again. So once it gets up temperature, it'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can let the steam out manually, or you can just let it come out naturally. Once the steam's out, it'll allow you to take the lid off and it'll be done. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Thanks. Okay, it's the 5-minute timer's up. It went into a warming mode. It's actually been warming for 4 minutes because what we're doing now is we're releasing the steam. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sure you can hear it. What we're doing now is releasing the steam. So here in a few minutes, we'll have some chicken corn soup in a bowl. You'll get to see what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's check this out and see what we got here. The steam's pretty much about done coming out. The lid will let us open it up. Makes a noise. It's switched over to warm. Keep warm. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. Check it out. Looks good to me.